everyone! Today we're going to be doing a simple science experiment. The materials you'll need for the science experiment are a dry erase marker, a glass bowl, and a cup of water. So the first thing you'll need to do is draw any figure or shape on the bottom of your bowl. And make sure to fill it in. Now, tip the bowl over so it's like this and pour water on the other side where you didn't draw your figure. Then, slowly put the other side of the bowl on the ground. And then the figure you drew will be floating on top of the water. This happens because when you draw with your dry erase marker, it comes out as a liquid. The liquid evaporates quickly and turns into a solid, so the figure you drew is now a solid. Then, when you pour water under it, since it's a solid, solids stay together. So, the marker, the thing you drew, all the lines stay together. So then it comes and floats on top of the water together. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.